using the special rubber bands, I am going to make another bracelet, or I think it's going to be more like a choker. So, yeah, I'm going to show you how. So, there, I'll put the first one on. Oh my god, this is really tight. If it's kind of tight, you can just loosen it up a little bit. There, that's not as tight. Okay, where's the second one I'm using? I'm just dumping it out on here to make it easier. There. Oops, I forgot to cross the first one. So, it's basically the same thing. I'm just doing it with like transparent ones. Yeah, I definitely need my life hack for this one. There. So you just take it and put it on top. Oops. So the next one I'm going to use is blue. First I'm going to use this type of blue. So yeah, that's all of these colors. Now I'm going to do the clear one. And now I'm going to do, what should I do? I'll do this heat changing one. All of them turn green because I'm really hot. My hands are sweating. Oh, and also I forgot to show you. I have like one glitter one that I'm going to use. So first I'm going to use this heat changing one. And I'm making a ring out of this. And the glitter one. And then I'm going to use these ones. So the pink, the purple, and the green. Oops. So I'm going to use these three. Oops. So this one I'm going to put on my thumb. Actually, no. If you can't fit it, if you can't fit the rubber band on your thumb, you can just put it like this on your hook. Yeah, but I'm not going to do that. So, yeah, I'm just going to finish this really quickly. I don't really talk while I'm making these kind of things. So I'm done with mine. Mine is pretty short. So it's like has all of these. And then you do the same. You put it on one finger. There. Then you stretch it out. Like that. And then I'm using another C-clip to take it out like that. And then take the other end and use a C-clip on that end too. Oh my god, it's getting perfect. And yeah, I'm struggling a little bit with that. Yeah, so I made a ring. It's kind of big. So basically it has all of these multicolored glitter, not glow in the dark, heat changing, clear, and the transparent ones. So So it looks like this. So, and now I'm going to be showing you how to make a keychain. So you'll need this, you don't need an S-clip for this. So what rubber band should I use? I think I'll use these ones because they're kind of colorful and I like colorful stuff. You can also hook this thing onto your keys or even your bag or purse. So yeah. Let me just, you know what, I'm pouring it on the ground. There, the blue one, this. Oh, there should be the purple ones, the purples. There. That's all of them. And now I'm going to show you how to make a keychain. So basically it's the same step like all of the other ones. Just make a bracelet. You just start with making a bracelet, except for the end it's different. Oh, I put it the wrong order. You know what? I think it was the right order, but whatever. There, and then this blue and green. And then the purples. So I'm gonna go kind of fast. And I'll just make one. Okay, so that, and then that. Sorry, it's taking a little bit long, and I don't really talk while I'm doing things, like when I'm concentrating. Okay, so I'm done. I'm making a really short one, so I'm done. So for the end, instead of putting it on an S hook, I'm gonna be putting it on this keychain thing. Basically how you do it is you take this, since there's two ends, you can tie it so you can tie it like that, so there's only one. And then with that one, you can go over and oops. Basically, you can go over and under. Okay, that's not working for me. So I'm gonna use a different technique. I'm gonna do it inside of this hole. Okay, I'll just use this hook. There, and just pull it up. There. So now I'll just pull it through, and then pull it over. And then you get a little keychain. So, if you take more time than me, you can make it longer and better and, yeah, more better. So, basically, that's how you make a bracelet, a ring, and a keychain out of these Rainbow-Loom bands. Bye guys, thanks for watching, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe, and bye!